In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text blocks in Hosting a Website Builder. If you want to add headings, descriptions, announcements, or any other written content to your website. Hosting a Website Builder makes the process very simple. You do not need any coding skills, and everything is done visually using drag and drop tools. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to place a text block onto your page, enter your content, and customize it so it matches the style of your website. To get started, open your Hostinger account and sign in. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the website you want to work on. This is where you'll manage your site and make any edits to its pages and content. Make sure you select the correct website before moving forward, especially if you manage more than one project in the same account. Next, click on Website. This will take you to the section where your site settings and editing options are available. From there, click Edit Website to open the Hosting a Website Builder editor. This is the main workspace where you can visually build and update your website. Give it a moment to load fully so you can clearly see your page layout and editing tools. Once the editor is open, find the Elements section. This area contains different items you can add to your website, such as images, buttons, galleries, and text. Since we're focusing on text blocks, look for the text element in that section. Now, drag and drop the text element onto the part of the page where you want your content to appear. You can place it in a section that already exists on the page, and once you drop it in, the text block will be added right away. Try to position it carefully so it fits naturally with the rest of your layout. After that, simply enter your text into the block. You can type in a title, a short paragraph, a call to action, or any message you want your visitors to read. Keep your wording clear and easy to scan, especially if the text is important for guiding users through your site. Finally, customize the text block to match your design. You can adjust how it looks so it fits the overall style of your website. This helps keep your branding consistent and makes the page look more polished and professional. That's how to add text blocks in Hosting a Website Builder. Once your text is in place and customized the way you want, you'll be one step closer to building a clean, informative, and visually appealing website.